Alright guys, what we're gonna do today, let's talk about pruning. Gotta get my shears, get your cutter of choice, and then you want some ways to sanitize. Lysol works really well, I've been using this. One can lasts years. Honestly, all we're trying to do is just kill bacteria. We're not trying to spread anything around or transfer things from plant to plant. You can also go heavy duty. Get yourself some heat and just burn that bad boy. This might be overkill. And realistically, you can use something like a rubbing alcohol mixture. Let's get started. So what we're trying to do is make a nice canopy. Probably want to do this before all the leaves start growing in, while things are asleep, dormant. This is the apple tree we're going to work on. What I'm looking for are branches that are growing inwards. I want to have airflow to the middle. I don't want a lot of things growing inwards. I want things growing outwards. So look at this. I want branches growing this way, not this way. So see how it's going inwards? You gotta go. Alright, we're just looking for more. I don't like the way this guy's growing. And you really want to shape the tree. Again, do this while things are asleep. Like, why do you want it to waste energy on something that's not going to be useful? I'd rather have it putting energy into growing bigger or fruiting, not into something I'm just going to cut off later, or it's going to cause potential issues. This guy's got to go. And just take your time. Do it right the first time. That way you don't have to worry about it later. I do so much in the spring. Summertime is just about watering and schedules. Spring's when most work happens. Spring and fall. You guys got to go. Even these little bits. Easier to do it when they're smaller. Wait till you get these long branches. See, I'll have light that's able to penetrate and get through to both sides. Airflow. It helps with having issues with bugs or diseases. Make it nice and open. Granny Smith apples. I've heard that red apples don't do well in Vegas. In desert climates, they're high chill, but we'll see. At any rate, pruning, people. If you have any tips, leave a comment below. Like, share, subscribe. Do all the things. Let's help each other grow. I'm trying to bring some life to Vegas. Let's grow.